Hello friends, welcome to the video lecture series on artificial intelligence and machine learning. I am Dr. Dafda, and in this 38th video class of AIML, we will understand simplified memory bounded A star or SMA star search algorithm in artificial intelligence, and we will also see its implementation in Python. We are learning different memory bounded informed search algorithms in which we have already learned IDA star search and RBFS in our previous two video classes. Both IDA star and RBFS suffer from too little memory, and furthermore they both suffer from potentially exponential increase in complexity associated with redundant paths in graphs. Therefore, it seems sensible to use all the available memory, and SMA star does this. Starting with the name, why it is called simplified memory bounded A star search? Because it is a simplified version of MA star or memory bounded A star search algorithm. And what is MA star or memory bounded A star? MA star is the original memory bounded A star search that manages a fixed memory budget by pruning or cutting the least promising nodes or removing the least promising nodes and backing up their costs to their parent nodes for potential future regeneration. But MA star was very complex to implement correctly, while SMA star is a streamlined version of MA star that uses simpler, more direct rules for deleting nodes or cutting nodes or pruning nodes and updating parent costs, making it much easier to implement while providing the same memory efficiency. Okay, so let us start. See, in our video lecture of A star search algorithm, we learned that A star search gives an optimal path, but it needs a very large memory. In big problems, the waiting list can grow so much that the computer RAM may become full. To solve this problem, we use SMA star search, which is a memory bounded version of A star search. SMA star keeps only a fixed number of best nodes in memory, and when memory becomes full, it removes the worst node with highest F cost. But before removing that node, SMA star saves or backs up its F value to the parent node so that the algorithm can remember that forgotten path and return to it later if required. Okay, first let us understand the core mathematical formulas of SMA star search. This is the formula for F cost, and we have used this formula in our previous three video classes. So we know how to calculate the H value as well as the G value and how to find F value. So this is the navigation formula. It tells SMA star which direction looks the most promising, and without this the algorithm would go blind to the goal. Now what is the use of this formula? See, SMA star deletes nodes to save RAM. If a child had a lower cost than its parent, the algorithm might delete an expensive parent and later rediscover a cheap child, causing it to loop or become confused. So this rule ensures that the path cost only goes up or stays the same, maintaining consistency. And this is the formula for backing up values. And why it is important? See, this is a sticky note mechanism. When SMA star is forced to delete a child node to make room in the memory, the parent remembers how good that child was. So this prevents the algorithm from having to re-expand the whole branch just to find out the cost. And this formula provides optimality. This check determines if the current best node in memory exceeds a predefined cost limit or if the search should terminate because the best leaf is the goal. Okay. Now let us understand SMA star search step by step using the same Romania map example. We know that our goal is to go from Arad to Bucharest, and for this SMA star search we will use memory limit is equal to 3. That is, our goal is to go from Arad to Bucharest using only 3 memory spaces. SMA star behaves like A star search, but when memory becomes full, it removes the worst node having the highest F cost. As we understood, we will be using these formulas. In step 0, we start from Arad. From the heuristic table, we know the distance from Arad to Bucharest is 366. So h of Arad is equal to 366. And since we have just started from Arad, the start node cost is 0. So g of Arad is equal to 0. So using this formula, f of Arad is equal to g plus h, which is equal to 0 plus 366, which is equal to 366. So memory after this 0 step will be having Arad 366, and memory is currently not full. Next, in step 1, SMA star expands Arad. From this Romania map, we can see that Arad has 3 children, CBU, Timisoara and Zerin. We calculate F value for these 3 cities. For CBU, the path cost from Arad to CBU is 140, that is G is equal to 140, and heuristic value from CBU to Bucharest is 253, that is H is equal to 253. Now using formula F1, F of CBU is equal to 140 plus 253, which is equal to 393. And using formula F2, F of CBU is equal to maximum of FS. FS currently is Arad, that is 366, comma Fn is 393. So maximum of 2 will be 393. So Fs is equal to 393. So CBU gets 393 cost. Next, for Timisoara, G is equal to 118, H is equal to 329. Using this formula, 118 plus 329 is equal to 447. And using this formula, maximum of Fs, that is 366, comma 447 is equal to 447. So Timisoara gets value 447. Now for Zerin, G is equal to 75, H is equal to 374. So using F1, F of Zerin is equal to 75 plus 374, which is equal to 449. Using F2, F of Zerin is equal to maximum of Fs, that is 366, comma Fn is 449, that we just obtained. So maximum of these two is 449, and so Zerin get the value 449. So these values are written here. Now the memory becomes CBU 393, Timisoara 447 and Zerin 449. And as the memory limit is 3, memory is now full. Now SMA star will select the best node out of these 3. Best means the smallest one, right? So as 393 is smaller than these two values, SMA star chooses 393 to expand next. Now CBU is expanded. The children of CBU are Fagaras and Rymnicuvilcia. For Fagaras, G cost is from the starting, that is from the Arad. Okay, so Arad to CBU, CBU to Fagaras. So 140 plus 99, which is equal to 239, and H of Fagaras is 176. So using this formula, F of Fagaras is equal to 239 plus 176, which is equal to 415. Using formula F2, F of Fagaras is equal to maximum of Fs. Fs now will be the parent of Fagaras, which is CBU, that is 393. So maximum of 393, comma 415. And what is maximum? 415 is maximum. So Fagaras will get value 415. Similarly for Rymnicuvilcia, G is equal to 140 plus 80, which is equal to 220, and H for Rymnicuvilcia is 193. So using this formula, 220 plus 193 is equal to 413. Using formula F2, F of Rymnicuvilcia is equal to maximum of 393, comma 413, which is equal to 413. So Rymnicuvilcia gets value 413. Now memory wants to contain Timisoara 447, Zerin 449, Fagaras 415 and Rymnicuvilcia 413. But the memory limit is only 3. So SMA star must delete the worst node out of these. Worst means the highest F cost. So highest value currently will be 449. Therefore, Zerin with a value of 449 is deleted from the memory. That is, Zerin is removed. But before deleting, SMA star performs backup using formula F3. It remembers that forgotten path had cost 449. So now the memory becomes Timisoara 447, Fagaras 415 and Rymnicuvilcia 413. And out of these three, the best node currently will be Rymnicu-Vilcea because it has smallest f value. So we'll expand Rymnicu-Vilcea in the next step. Rymnicu-Vilcea has two children, Pitesti and Craiova. The G cost for Pitesti is equal to 140 plus 80 plus 97, which is equal to 317, and heuristic for Pitesti is 100. So using this formula, f of Pitesti is equal to 317 plus 100, which is equal to 417. Using formula F2, maximum of 413, 417 is 417. So Pitesti gets value 417. Similarly for Craiova, the value comes out to be 526. So this path is very costly. So memory currently already has Timisoara, Fagaras and Rymnicu-Vilcea, and adding Pitesti and Craiova exceeds memory. So worst node is Craiova. So SMA star immediately prunes or cuts Craiova path, and now memory becomes Timisoara 447, Fagaras 415 and Pitesti 417. And after step 3, we are within the memory with only 3 nodes in the memory. Best node now is Fagaras at 415. So in step 4, we expand Fagaras. Fagaras directly generates Bucharest with G cost of 140 plus 99 plus 211, which is equal to 450. And heuristic value for Bucharest to Bucharest is obviously 0. So using this formula, F is equal to G plus N, G is equal to 450 plus H is 0, which is equal to 450, and using formula F2, F of Bucharest is equal to maximum of Fs is 415, 450. So maximum is 450, and now memory to store Timisoara, Pitesti and Bucharest. And after this step, we are within memory. And now the best node is Pitesti with 417, but we have already reached Bucharest with 450, and Bucharest is our goal. But now something very important happens. Even though Bucharest is our goal, SMA star does not stop yet. Why? Because another cheaper path may still exist. See, current Bucharest cost is 450, but in the memory it also has Pitesti with 417. So there may be still a better route through Pitesti, and SMA star will continue. And this is the intelligence of SMA star and A star search algorithm. So now Pitesti with 417 is best. And in step 5, we expand Pitesti with 417. So now through Pitesti, we can go to Bucharest only because other paths are already explored. So the node generated is Bucharest, but now the G for Bucharest will be equal to 140 plus 80 plus 97 plus 101, which is equal to 418, and heuristic H we already know is equal to 0. So F is equal to 418 plus 0, which is equal to 418 kilometers. So from formula F1, we get 418 kilometers, and using formula F2, F of Bucharest is equal to maximum of Fs. Fs is currently Pitesti, that is 417, Fn is 418. So maximum is 418. So Bucharest will get F cost of 418 kilometers. Now if we compare, the old Bucharest was 450 kilometers and the new Bucharest is 418 kilometers. And obviously SMA star keeps the better path. So Bucharest with 450 is removed, and now memory becomes Timisoara 447, Bucharest 418. So now the best node is 418. So in step 6, obviously Bucharest is selected, and since H is equal to 0, goal is reached. So our final optimal path is from Arad to CBU, from CBU to Rymnicu-Vilcea, from Rymnicu-Vilcea to Pitesti, and from Pitesti to Bucharest. And our final cost is 418 kilometers. So as the goal is reached, SMA star stops successfully. So see, the main beauty of SMA star is it works like A star search, it uses heuristic intelligence, and it finds optimal path, but also it controls memory carefully. When memory becomes full, the worst node is deleted, and also the best forgotten value is backed up, and search can later return if needed. And that is why SMA star is called a memory bounded version of A star search. So see, this figure shows the anatomy of SMA star metaphor with memory is equal to 3. So SMA star is not magic, it just uses memory very carefully. It keeps only 3 best options, and when the space is full, it removes the worst one but notes its cost. So if needed later, it can go back and try that option again instead of forgetting it completely. And finally, this slide shows the comparison between IDA star, RBFS and SMA star search. See, the main difference is how they handle memory. IDA star uses the least memory because it works like depth first search and remembers almost nothing. RBFS also uses small memory, but it remembers the current best alternative path. And SMA star is different because it uses all available memory intelligently and removes the worst nodes only when memory becomes full. All the three algorithms can give optimal solutions if the heuristic is admissible. But SMA star remains complete only if enough memory is available to store the required nodes. Okay. Now let us implement this same example of SMA star in Python. So that is all for this video class. You will find the link to download the PPTs and the Python course in the description box. Thank you very much.